Oh my god.
We're at Pleasure Trails again.
Yay.
Yep, again. Yeah, Abby is on Fireball. See if anyone screams.
Is she even on there though? I swear to God, she's like been in the line.
Yeah,
So
she is on there, I think. Okay, that's a bit boring. I'm going to show you seagulls now.
Not just like 25 minutes long. That's such
Fight, 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 fight. Do you reckon they'll fight?
No. Actually, maybe. He's got big bread. What has he got on his chin? Is that like hair?
I don't know.
Did you know the acid in seagulls' stomachs are so acidic that they can die in your skin?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, oh! Fighting, fighting! Oh, fireball and wipeout going at the same time, bruh!
That's insane!
Megan, you ruined my shot.
So sorry, I really hope I'm not
You
July
should be sorry.
2020. August. What? That doesn't make sense. I don't know, I'm not full of fun facts. Seagull's poop once burnt a woman's hair off. That's my fun fact.
That is very bad.
I didn't actually do that. We've only got half an hour. How do we just fridge up?
You can say your YouTube channel.
Jane Osborne Notch Fan. I can't even say yours.
No.
It's so long.
Yours.
Jane Osborne Notch Fan gaming channel.
Say yours.
No.
Say it.
I don't have one.
Say it.
I don't even have one.
Say it.
I don't have one.
Guys, it's Megan Manning.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Don't listen to her.
No.